Workpiece dimensions are 350, 80 and 50. Tool dimensions are 2 mm diameter and 100 mm length. Tool name is T02. T02 M06 it is tool change, and G90 is absolute programming. G00 it is fast transfers to the point, like this. And M03, here the spindle starts rotating in clockwise direction with a spindle speed of 1000 rpm and feed rate of 100. M08 coolant on. G00 it is again fast transfers to the point, like this. And then G01 it is a cutting movement, but it is a slow transverse movement to the in z direction to -20, like this. And then to X25. Now G03 it is circular interpolation in CCW, that is counterclockwise direction. Then again, now the movement, now G02 it is circular interpolation in clockwise direction again. Now G01 X40 it is linear interpolation to X40. Now G0 Z10 it's for tool retraction. Now X50 Y10, tool moves to X50 and Y10. G01 it is linear transfers to Z -20, like this. Now to linear transfers to X70 Y70. Now to X90 Y10. Now tool moves out, G00 Z10, tool placed at X60 Y40. Now G01 Z -20 again. Now the tool moves to X80 linearly. Now G00 tool moves out, placed at the point X100 and Y10. Now G01 Z -20. Now X40 it moves to X7, it moves to it's Y70, it moves to Y70. Now G00 Z10 moves out, tool moves out, and then again placement of the tool, and then again an X4 to X140, tool moves out, placed at the point, and then G01 Z -20. Then tool moves to X170 and Y70, like this. And then to X190 and Y10, tool moves out, placed at the point, linear transverse. And then to X180, tool moves out, placed at the point of the start, and then again. And then Y10 it moves to Y70, and then it is G02, it is circular interpolation in clockwise direction. Now circular interpolation again in clockwise direction. Now G01 it is linearly to the point X220 and Y10. And now retraction, and then placement for other step again. And then it moves to Y70, again retraction, and it moves to the point 240 and Y10, and then linear interpolation to Z -20, and then to X260 and Y70, and the procedure continues as same. And then again retraction, placed at the point 250 and 40, and then G01 Z -20, linear interpolation in Z direction to -20, and then to X270 it moves in X direction to the point X270, and then linear transfers, that is tool moves out to Z40 and X300 and Y80. And M05 stands for spindle stop, M09 stands for coolant off, M30 end of the program. Thank you.